Do you know you can change a sentence without changing its meaning? Let's see how this works. For example, the boy is clever becomes the clever boy is. There are three main types of sentences: simple, complex, and compound. A simple sentence has one independent clause. A complex sentence has a noun sentence joins two independent clauses.
A simple sentence contains only one clause. For example, he is honest.
A complex sentence has one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. The main clause can stand alone, while the subordinate clause depends on it. Let's look at an example. In the sentence, I know a man is the main clause and who is honest is the subordinate clause. That is connected by a relative pronoun, who. A compound sentence joins two main clauses using conjunctions. For example, I enjoy reading and I love writing. These are joined by and, but, or so. A clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. Let's look at an example. Here, the cat is the subject and sat is the verb. There are three types of clauses: noun, adjective, and adverb clauses. A noun clause acts as a noun. An adjective clause describes a noun. Adverb clause might as a verb. These are key to sentence transformation.
To change simple to complex, convert a phrase into a clause. For example, being ill, he could not come becomes as he was ill, he could not come. This adds a subject and a verb.
To change complex to simple, reduce the clause into a phrase. Watch this example. The complex clause, the man who is running, becomes the simple phrase, the running man. To form a compound sentence, join ideas using conjunctions. Watch as this sentence splits into two parts. Now, we reconnect them with but.
Compound sentences can be simplified into a single clause. For example, the dog barked loudly and it chased the cat becomes the dog barked loudly while chasing the cat. A more streamlined sentence.
You can convert a compound sentence into complex using subordinators. For example, he was tired, but he went to the party. Becomes although he was tired, he went to the party. Complex sentences can become compound by breaking the clause. Let's look at an example. Although it was raining, we went for a walk. We separate the clauses and replace although with but. Grammar is the root, and language skills are the branches. Sentence transformation is all about phrases, clauses, and connections. Let's see how they work together in this flowchart. Phrases transform into clauses connected by conjunctions. This builds more complex and varied sentences. Conjunctions guide the meaning and structure of sentences. For example, we stayed inside because it was raining. Because connects the ideas, we can also use although. Other conjunctions like and but work the same way.
Avoid changing meaning, wrong conjunctions, and tense errors. For example, using and can change the meaning. And here, don't is a tense error.
Now it's your turn to practice sentence transformation. Transform this into a complex sentence.
So after he returned home, he took his bath?
Good. What's another way? Mastering clauses helps you master sentence transformation. Simple sentences become complex with added clauses, and complex can transform into compound sentences.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and master English with confidence. Keep learning, keep practicing, and master English with confidence.